conversation. I'm Isaiah Drake.
And I'm Kristy Drake.
And we have sold our house.
Yes, and we're moving.
So in this video, we're going to be showing you some of the adventures / crazy times that happen with moving.
Yeah, so basically we sold a house, but we haven't bought a new one yet. So we're going to be staying with Isaiah's parents for a couple of weeks, and then maybe my parents for a couple of weeks. But in the meantime, we're moving all of our stuff into a storage unit. So that's going to be the next week or so.
Super excited. Stay tuned.
Okay, so we just booked our storage unit, which is exciting. Hey babe.
Yes.
So today we've got all of our family coming over, and they're going to help us just move boxes and smaller things today. And then over the course of the week we'll probably continue doing that, and then next Saturday we're getting movers in to come and move the big stuff.
Yes.
Which is so exciting. It's kind of very surreal still for us.
I can't believe it. We're moving out in a week.
Yeah, so contract got signed
A couple weeks ago.
a week and a half ago, and then it goes unconditional this week. So it's pretty exciting. The reason why we're not waiting for the settlement date is because I actually have a massive production on that weekend, so I won't be able to help with moving or anything like that. So we just decided, let's just move out earlier and get it done, and that way we don't have to worry about it while I'm stressing about a production, which would be great. Yeah, how are you feeling about it?
Good, I'm just keen for everything to be done. Get stuff packed, get moving.
Yeah, moved. We're moving into Isaiah's parents' house for a couple of weeks, and then my parents' house for a couple of weeks, just while we're looking and getting production done and Christmas, and just, it's a busy end of the year for us. So we decided we didn't want to rush into buying a house. We just want to take our time with that and yeah, see how we go. This is moving day 2. It's actually nighttime. It's about 8 o'clock at night. And we're all alone in the storage unit, and we're not gonna look at it.
Moving day, we are tired, but it's happening.
Just woke up.
Kristy didn't even want to be on camera right now. I'm sorry. So we just grabbed ourselves some breakfast. Friends and family coming in about an hour, but yeah, we're packing up the house today, and let's see how this goes.
Sorry. It's an empty room. Whoa. And somewhere in there is our bed.
Another load down. Just heading home now, and we've got the removalists getting all of our furniture. We've done all we can at the moment.
So much stuff.
So it started off all nice, but some of this middle stuff is kind of just like thrown in, like structurally. Like this chair is not flat, but it's definitely secure, I promise. All right, we have a full storage unit. It's all happening. Oh my gosh. Literally standing in this like tiny little section here. Oh man. I can't believe we've got 5 years worth of stuff in here. But we chucked out so much stuff. What was this box, Kristy?
This is my only box of books that I brought to our house 4.5 years ago.
And how many have you got now?
I think it was like maybe 5. Big box.
Oh my gosh.
So many books. We got all our stuff for the next, I don't know how long, month or 2?
Yeah. Living out of these bags.
What you doing?
Lock that hole empty. Doors closed. Everything's closed. It's done.
Okay, we are done. Moving day, that was huge.
I'm so done. Oh, door's done as well.
Yeah, so the house is empty. We've just got our stuff for the next few months in bags to pack, and then we're out of here.
And we're out of here. Hey babe.
Hey.
How you doing?
Good.
What you doing?
Just sitting in an empty house.
Everything's gone. You would be sitting on a side table right now. We have just done the final pack up. The house has been empty, but we've just been doing some rubbish trips. So just done the last, well, just about to do the last rubbish trip. But I am leaving behind my keys. So here we are, saying goodbye to the house. Bye house, thanks for everything. And yeah, crazy. Moving, here we go.